What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars are happy Tuesday. Now, if you missed it, in our last episode, I showed you how to properly remove the automotive carpet out of your 90s Honda. And at the time, I was still undecided whether I wanted to replace the carpet with new black or red carpet, or go ahead and try to refurbish my old carpet. And I've since decided, yep, we'll give it a shot. I'll try my best to refurbish this old school carpet. So I'm gonna be vacuuming it, shampooing it, and then we're gonna be dyeing it black. I think that's gonna look really nice in the car. I'm gonna show you the whole process from start to finish. But before we get into that, I got an exciting announcement to make. So Super Clean, as some of you know, is partnering with our channel. And in celebration of 600 subscribers, we're gonna be doing a giveaway with them. So basically, all you gotta do to enter the giveaway is send an email to craftingcars@gmail.com and basically just put giveaway in the subject line. I'll know it's you. And you got a pretty good chance. It's just one winner this time, but we got a pretty small channel here, so your odds are pretty high. Probably not too many people are gonna enter, but we will see. And I highly recommend that you give it a shot because I really like using the Super Clean products. I highly recommend it. I'm not just saying that. I use it to clean my garage floor. I use it to clean everything. We're gonna be using a little bit to clean this carpet today. And what I really like about it is, like say before when I'd like degrease engine parts and everything like that, I'd go to O'Reilly's and I'd pick up a can of brake cleaner or parts cleaner or anything like that. And then the whole garage smells like parts cleaner. My clothes smell like parts cleaner for the rest of the day or the rest of the week even. So I really, I've even used it inside the house and everything. So like I said, highly recommend it. And what they're gonna be doing is they're gonna be contacting you and they're gonna be sending you a free box straight to your house full of Super Clean products. So yeah, why not give it a shot? Once again, that is craftingcars@gmail.com, and I'll go ahead and paste that in the description. All right, let's get on with the video. So as you may have guessed, this 24-year-old carpet is not the cleanest. It's got dirt stains, it's got oil stains, it's got a lot of grass and sand and everything embedded in the fabric. We're gonna try our best to lift it all out. We're gonna be vacuuming it, shampooing it, and then dyeing it in that order. And the whole time, we're gonna try to keep the carpet as dry as possible because it's really thick with the sound deadening backing and everything. And it would take forever to dry if we got it really wet. And it's not like we could set it out in the sun because it's Minnesota in the middle of winter, so that option's not really there. The carpet would probably freeze. So actually one of my coworkers offered to lend me his portable vacuum and carpet shampooer all in one unit until he went home and consulted his wife about it, and she said no, you can't lend that out. So that sucks. If you can get your hands on one of those, highly recommend it. Those are awesome because they infuse the carpet with shampoo and then suck it up right away so your carpet doesn't get wet. And yeah, they work slick, but fortunately, I've got an old school industrial vacuum that was handed down to me. It's a Kirby limited edition, like I said, industrial vacuum, and it can be modified to do anything. I'm gonna try not to flex it too hard today, but it's an amazing machine. You'll see what it can do. See what this thing can do. Alright, so as you can see, just from vacuuming, the carpet looks a lot nicer than it did. Got all the sand, dirt, hair, and whatever else was on that carpet lifted off. Vacuum did a really nice job. So now what I'm gonna be doing is switching this thing into shampoo mode, switch some fittings around. It's gonna be utilizing this gun here, which basically is gonna be blowing through it and mixing a solution of hot water and a little bit of Super Clean. And one of the best parts about it is if I spray it through this here, it's a little mesh screen, it should create a nice foam layer over the whole carpet, which will get it clean without soaking it, which is the major key. idea if this is actually going to work, but it's going to be really cool if it does. Alrighty, so now I'm going to let this dry for around 15 to 20 more minutes, and then I'm going to put that thing back into vacuum mode, hook this thing up, and it actually spins while it vacuums, and hopefully the Super Clean acted as a nice shampoo and did a good job separating the dirt from the fabric. So then all that dirt and everything that possibly separated, we can go with the vacuum and suck it all up, and the carpet should be looking pretty good after that. Alright, so at this point, after vacuuming, shampooing, and then scrubbing and vacuuming one more time, the carpet is looking super clean. And now it's time for one of my favorite pastimes, dyeing. Today I'm going to be using 4 bottles of this RIT brand black dye in this sprayer. If you want to use the same stuff, I'll put links in the description. But to start off, I'm going to take 2 bottles of dye, and I'll do the first half. 1 in, 2 in, and then I'm going to fill the rest of it up with really hot water. And we use hot water because that helps relax the fabric. As you can see, the steam's kind of coming out of it. Put the top on. We'll just do a little test spray. Ooh, that's a wide fan. I think I want to narrow that a little bit. Dial her back. I think that's about perfect. Let's go ahead and do the back half of the carpet first and just see how it turns out. All right, no turning back at this point. Alright, so we're done with the back side, and first impressions, I love the way it looks. It's just as dark as I wanted it to be. It's probably going to look a little lighter on camera, just because the Sony cameras like to take the blacks and lighten them up so you can see the details. So I'll have to grab like a black t-shirt and I'll lay it on there just to compare it so you can see, oh, it's actually black. But yeah, I'll mix up one more batch, we'll spray the front, and we'll get a good look at the whole picture. So let's get at it. here's the finished product. And I gotta tell you, I am more than happy with it. So, like I was saying, it's a lot darker in person than it appears on camera. Here's a nice black t-shirt, and it's darker than that. You could also compare it to like the tire or the stripe on the side of my car. Those are also black. Just kind of see how it compares. But I was gonna throw it in the car today, but it is still wet, as you can see. So there you have it. As you can see, it's easy, it's cheap, and it provides a good result. And that's my kind of project right there. Thanks again for tuning in to Crafting Cars. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. And yeah, don't forget that super clean giveaway. Go ahead, email craftingcars@gmail.com. And I think I'll have Gideon do the giveaway results next Tuesday. Hopefully I can make him make a quick video about it. I'm sure he'll be willing to, because I just found out that I'm gonna be out of town next week. Not to brag or anything, but I'm going to Florida. Kinda have to, but that'll be cool. Maybe I'll be able to do some filming in Florida. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. But yeah, next Tuesday, we'll have the results, find out who won the giveaway. That'll be super exciting. And yeah, hopefully, if you were on the fence about possibly dyeing your carpet, this kind of motivates you to do it, because I'd highly recommend it. And I'd love to throw it in the car today, but it's still pretty wet, and I want to paint my interior plastics as well before I throw it all in there. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm sure Gideon's going to provide some updates on the RX-7s and the go-kart and the BRZ and stuff. There's a lot of good content coming, so that was a really good time to subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, shout out to all you subscribers. Once we reach 690, we're gonna do another subscriber special, just kind of like we did at 69, where we're gonna go live, answer your questions and stuff like that. So yeah, that'll be fun, and that's all I got for you today. See you next time.